Dude, you're gonna be sleeping and this is like you're gonna like...
You're gonna encourage it.
Yeah. I can't wait till it figures out how to open the door and it's just
It's just always been in your room. Dude, he likes your room a lot.
No, wait, look at its eyes. Dude, its eyes are right with my eyes.
Oh my god!
Dude, I have internet.
It's crazy.
He just wants to spread allergies into my room.
Look at those nails. Oh my
just grabs your hand and like pulls you into the door. It's like a pretty good face.
It's so
like what it does for fun.
Oh, ow, dude. Bye. Oh my god.
figured out that there's another one. Dude, I think it only likes sticking its paw.
No, you can't go in here. Out.